Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by stabilizing your network. Restart your router and PC, then wait 30 to 60 seconds so cache is clear. Next, flush DNS and renew your IP using ipconfig commands to remove stale entries. This forces a fresh route. Make sure any VPN or proxy is disabled, and confirm Windows Firewall has both inbound and outbound rules allowing the Riot Vanguard and Valorant executables. Once done, you should have a clean baseline connection to the game servers. Now you address the client and system services. Update network drivers and install pending Windows updates, because outdated drivers often cause packet drops. Repair the Valorant installation via the Riot client and verify the Vanguard anti-cheat service is running with SC query VGC. Reinstall Vanguard if it fails. Reset WinSock to clear socket-level corruption using netch WinSock reset, and then reboot. These steps restore proper driver and service behavior, so the game can establish and maintain stable connections. Finish by validating the path to Riot servers. Run a traceroute to your region to spot hops with high latency or packet loss, and test with a wired Ethernet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection to rule out wireless interference. If problems persist, reinstall Riot Vanguard cleanly, then run Valorant as administrator so permissions aren't blocking network calls. One key troubleshooting tip. If traceroute shows consistent packet loss at your ISP, contact support with a screenshot. That often.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.